How's it going, guys? My name is Carlos Gutierrez. It's been a minute since I think late November, December, something like that. Late last year, anyway. Been busy with school, work, and other things. Sorry about that. Okay. Anyway, so today I got something special in the mail. This is my third take doing it. Camera issues and stuff like that. So hopefully doing this all in one take rather than two takes. I guess take three. So I guess two clips rather than having one clip instead of two clips, so making it somewhat easier to edit and stuff like that. But today in the mail, got something special. Got it from Nike. It is the FC Barcelona 2019-2020 kit, their home kit, I should say. So this is their replica version or whatever, but has the silver patch rather than the gold patch, which the gold patch is obviously more premium. But here, the FC Barcelona. Let's go over the sponsors first. So we have their main front side, Rakuten, followed by their sleeve sponsor, which is Deco. And on the back, probably the longest one has been UNICEF. And then on the right sleeve it has the La Liga patch, which is the Spanish soccer league. For those of you who don't know, I think it goes a little bit into Portugal and Italy. I am not fact checking, I'm just kind of going off common knowledge. Embroidered Nike swoosh, and also the Barcelona patch. You can see on the inside it's in there. Same with the Nike and La Liga patch. Everything else is printed on there. So yeah, I mean, yeah. This is my second jersey kit. Depending on wherever you come from, wherever you're watching this, you might pronounce it. I'll pronounce it jersey. I might say kit in terms of like referring to which years it's from. But honestly, I got it on sale from Nike. I think extra 25% off. Or sorry about that, 25 or 30% off with and it was already on sale for like $50, so I got for like $40 free shipping. That whole schmozzle. Um, yeah, this is my second jersey or kit. My first one, I have it right here, is my Paris Saint Germain 2018-2019 kit with Neymar Jr.'s name on it. So this one differences aside from being a PSG jersey, still by Nike. Main sponsor is Fly Emirates, QMB, which is Qatar National Bank, and Orado. And I believe this is for. I honestly forget the league. I know they both played Barcelona and PSG playing the Champions League. But in terms of differences, um, right now this one is a slightly looser fit as opposed to this one. This one's a little bit more snug. They're the exact same size, but part of me, I think it's just breaking it in. But in terms of this one, does not have the league that they're playing in a patch on that one. I mean, I guess kind of down here in the number, printed in the number. Oh, sorry about that angle, but right there, no. And what else about it? Pretty much like I do like more about the PSG jersey. I don't know the official name of this little symbol, little trihorns, but I do think the white red, the white stripes with the red middle and the gold little thing surrounded by the blue is just really clean. Um, versus the Barcelona jersey. Sorry, a big mess right now. On the back side, it is just plain navy blue or blue. Could be colorblind. I don't know. But difference is on the front has this little elastic part that with the red and yellow, and then on the back side. So if you're looking from the inside wearing the jersey, I guess you would look at this. It has the blue, red, and the yellow. I do kind of wish it had at least like the red and yellow on the back side, like in the PSG jersey. But you know what? I didn't design it. I'm not working at Nike for their soccer. I'm not a designer there, but so I can't complain. But in terms of like the front, this is just straight up like right there, open chest, and this one kind of goes a little bit higher. Not in terms of like wearing it. I tried it on earlier. I'm not gonna show it in video. I might post it later on Instagram. So Instagram will be somewhere on the screen if my editing skills can figure it out, or 100% sure they will be down in the description below, alongside maybe my Twitter. I don't really, no, not my Twitter. I'm not going to put my Twitter down there. You guys can find that or already follow me on Twitter. But my Instagram for sure will be linked down in the description below. I do apologize for the lack of content this past couple of months. Like I said, I've been busy with school and work, kind of having a lot of and this whole coronavirus COVID-19 thing doesn't really scare me, but just been kind of stuck inside. All my classes go to Zoom University, the highest admittance in the U.S. since I'm not going to name the school, just rather not. But in terms of like sneaker pickups, I've only gotten two pairs of shoes past couple of months, and it's just kind of like just shoe beaters. First pair being a pair of Chuck Taylors, just plain black and white, the ones you can buy virtually anywhere, like $50 or something like that. Got these when I went to Portland. I don't think I posted that video, but honestly, I didn't record a lot. But got these tax free. As you can see, kind of some nice wear and tear into it, a little dirty. Second shoe, my most recent shoe that probably these Adidas skate shoes, slip-on Niza, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Has a little toe cap there, slip-on. Not the most support in terms of, but I mean, from like kind of just like casual daily shoe. Just throw them on. Good, not can't complain. But that's pretty much it. I mean, I don't know. If there's something you guys want me to review, leave me down in the comments, or if you follow me on Instagram and vice versa, just message me, and I will definitely consider it. But anyway, have fun, be safe, enjoy the rest of your days, weeks, months, years, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe if you think my videos are good, or constructive criticism is very appreciated. Um, but honestly, yeah, just let me know, and I will see you when I see you. Thank you.